If Microsoft Edge is not responding on your Windows computer, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to fix it step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help when Edge freezes, becomes slow, stops loading pages, or just refuses to open properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. That shortcut opens Task Manager right away, and it's one of the fastest ways to see what programs are running in the background. Once Task Manager opens, stay on the Processes tab if you are not already there. Now look carefully for anything named Microsoft Edge. You may see one Edge process or several, depending on how many tabs or background tasks are running. If Edge is frozen or not responding, one of these processes is usually the problem. Click on a Microsoft Edge process to highlight it. Then select End Task in the bottom corner, or right-click and choose End Task. If there are multiple Edge processes, you can end them one by one to make sure everything is fully closed. After that, wait a few seconds and try opening Microsoft Edge again. In many cases, ending the stuck process is enough to get the browser working normally again. But if Edge still has issues, we're going to move on to the next step. Now go to Control Panel on your computer. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it from there. Once you're inside, right-click Microsoft Edge in the list of installed programs or browser-related entries, and then choose the Change or Repair option if it appears. Depending on your system setup, this may show as Change, Modify, or Repair. Follow the prompts if Windows gives you any options to fix the installation. This can help refresh damaged browser files and resolve responsiveness problems. Next, we're going to clear Edge's cookies and cache, because corrupted browser data is another common reason Microsoft Edge stops responding. Open Microsoft Edge, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window instantly. Here, make sure cookies and cached files are selected. If you want a deeper cleanup, you can also include browsing history, but at minimum, cookies and cache should be cleared. Choose the time range you want to clear. If you're not sure, selecting all time is usually the most effective option when you're trying to fix a browser problem. Then click Clear Now and let Edge remove the stored data. Once that finishes, close the browser completely and open it again. At this point, Edge should respond much better. The combination of ending the task, repairing or changing the installation if needed, and clearing cookies and cache solves a lot of common browser freezing problems. If the issue was caused by a stuck process or a bad cache file, this should get you back up and running. If Microsoft Edge is still not responding after this, you may need to check for updates, disable extensions, or reset the browser settings. But for most users, the steps in this video are enough to fix the issue quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.